Sophia de Mello Andresen, 1919–2004, was one of the most prominent poets in contemporary Portuguese literature. Born in Porto, Sophia maintained a deep connection with the sea and nature, recurring themes in her work. Besides poetry, she wrote short stories, children's literature, and essays, and was a vocal advocate for freedom and justice during the Salazar dictatorship. Renowned for her clear and precise language, she won numerous literary awards, including the Camões Prize in 1999. Her work transcends time, addressing universal themes such as beauty, ethics, and humanity's relationship with the natural world. Coral and Other Poems, published in 1950, is one of Sophia's most iconic collections. The book reflects her fascination with nature, the sea, and the harmony between life's elements. The poems, written in simple yet profound language, explore themes such as memory, mortality, silence, and the search for balance. The work is divided into sections that interconnect, forming a coherent poetic vision of the world, marked by contemplation and spirituality. Sophia's poetry in Coral and Other Poems is imbued with the duality between the eternal and the transient, chaos and order, the human and the divine. The sea, a central theme, symbolizes both strength and mystery, as well as a space for contemplation and origin. Her writing prioritizes the precision of words, avoiding excess to convey crystalline imagery and philosophical reflections. There's also an ethical and aesthetic concern, aligning beauty with human values. This particular work reveals a poet seeking harmony and connection with the world, offering readers an almost meditative experience. Coral and Other Poems solidified Sophia de Mello Andresen as one of the great poets of the Portuguese language. The work marked the beginning of her poetic maturity, introducing a unique style that blends simplicity, musicality, and depth. It reinforces the role of poetry as an instrument for existential questioning and celebration of beauty. Its influence extends beyond Portugal, being widely studied and appreciated worldwide. The book also highlights the symbiotic relationship between humans and nature, a theme of increasing relevance in contemporary discourse. To conclude, here are the 5 main characteristics of Coral and Other Poems by Sophia de Mello Andresen. Centrality of the sea and nature. The work explores the sea as a symbol of mystery, strength, and harmony, emphasizing the connection between humans and the natural world. Clear and precise language. Sophia employs concise and musical writing, where each word carries profound meaning. Philosophical and universal themes. The poems address issues such as mortality, memory, and the search for balance and transcendence. Contemplation and spirituality. The book invites readers to reflect deeply on the world and existence through serene and meditative imagery. A milestone in Portuguese poetry, Coral and Other Poems established Sophia as one of Portugal's leading poetic voices, influencing generations of readers and writers. This was our summary of the book Coral and Other Poems by Sophia de Mello Breyner Andresen. We hope it was helpful.